I found one of the best side hustles of 2023. And the best part, nobody's talking about it. If you're looking for a way to make extra income, you're going to want to watch this video. So I'm pretty sure everybody has heard about dropshipping. And just in case you haven't, dropshipping is simply just a fulfillment method where you yourself do not have to hold any physical inventory, but the supplier handles the packaging, storing, and shipping of the products for you. But listen, dropshipping physical products from China and taking 4 to 5 weeks just to get your order to the customer's door is dead. The new way to do it is dropshipping digital products. Dropshipping digital products has several benefits over the traditional model of dropshipping. For instance, higher margins, quicker fulfillment, and less customer headaches. Niches like health, wealth, and self-development are very popular niches that you can sell your digital product in. You can find your products on websites like the PLR Store and PLR Hustle. What you want to do from there is buy the rights to that digital product, rebrand it, and set it up on your Shopify store. Next, you want to set up theme pages on TikTok and Instagram and start creating content that relates to your niche. That's right, you can start getting sales for $0. So I just gave you information for you to get started for less than $25. So with a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can now start making thousands of dollars every month with digital drop shipping.